Alright guys, Mr. SFM. I'm back here at the river. I had to go in and take a quick dunk. We got the SFM edition P1, so we're just riding that. It's windy and cold, man, today, but anyhow, I just wanted to update you guys. I'm gonna try and get out of Quebec either today or tomorrow. I've got a CAA package, so I think I'll just tow the rest of the way, call it a day. But it's July 2nd today, and yesterday was my birthday, and it's also Canada Day, and I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I didn't hear any fireworks here. So I'm a little bit disappointed in Quebec, man. But anyway, guys, just a little update. Just like I said, had a little swim. Chilly today, and yeah, just gonna start getting ready. So that's your update, Mr. SFM. Live life. It's all good, baby. You know what I'm saying? And we'll catch you guys in a little bit. Peace.